Good morning, students. As a continuity of Coulomb blockade effect, now let us see a topic on single electron transistor. Now let us see single electron tunneling. Tunneling is a quantum mechanical phenomena in which particle tunnels through the barrier. Actually, it is the barrier. Here particle tunnels from one side to other side. Tunneling means penetration of particle from one side to other side. This tunneling is possible because of the wave-like properties. In single electron tunneling, a single electron will tunnel from or penetrate from one side to other side, crossing this barrier. It is called single electron tunneling. Before seeing single electron transistor, first let us see what is a transistor. In electronics, transistor is the very important device. The main usage of transistor is it can be used as a switch and amplifier. There are two main types of transistor. The first one is a bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar junction transistor means it is the PNP transistor and NPN transistor. The main part of this bipolar junction transistor is collector, base and emitter. The second one is a field effect transistor. Shortly we can say as FET. The FET has the following parts. It has a source, drain, gate and it has a channel region. What is SET? SET means single electron transistor. Now let us see the structure of SET. The structure of SET is similar to FET. FET means field effect transistor. The structure of SET and FET is similar except SET has a tunneling junction instead of PN junction in FET. In FET we are having a PN junction and in SET we are having a tunneling junction. SET has a quantum dot in the place of channel region of FET. In FET we are having a channel region. In that place in SET we are having a quantum dot. The diagram represents the SET. The SET has the following parts. The first one is a quantum dot. This quantum dot is a nano size particle and there is a source and there is a drain. This quantum dot is placed in between the source and drain and is separated by a small thin insulating layer and there is a gate. Between the gate and the quantum dot there is a gate capacitance and there is a two tunnel junctions here. This tunneling is controlled by the gate voltage. SET is a three-terminal device which can transfer electron from source to drain one by one. The purpose of SET is to control the tunneling of electron into or from the quantum dot. So it is necessary to move one electron at a time. This tunneling is controlled by the gate voltage in SET. Working of SET. SET is a three-terminal device in which electron will tunnel from source to drain one by one. To control tunneling, voltage is given to the gate electrode. A separate voltage bias is applied between the source and drain for the current direction. So here we are applying two voltages. The first voltage is applied to the gate to control tunneling and second voltage is applied between the source and drain for the current direction. When the gate bias voltage must be large to overcome the Coulomb blockade energy, then only the current will flow. The Coulomb blockade energy means it is the charging energy. Charging energy will prevent the electron from moving inside the quantum dot. So the applied gate voltage should be larger than the charging energy. So the electron can move inside the quantum dot, then the current will flow. The energy needed to move a charge inside the quantum dot is given by E is equal to VQ. Here E represents the energy, V is the voltage and Q represents the charge. From this we are going to calculate voltage. So cross multiply, V is equal to E by Q. Here normally for charge we can either use Q or E. So V is equal to E by Q. In the place of Q we are putting E. E means that is a charging energy WC. So in the place of capital E we are going to put the charging energy WC. The value of WC is given by E squared by 2C. So here in this equation, in the place of WC, we are substituting E squared by 2C. On cancelling, the value is E by 2C. So the voltage value is E by 2C. When you supply this voltage E by 2C to the quantum dot, electron can tunnel through this quantum dot. This figure shows the off and on state of set. The first figure represents the off state of set. Here, the gate voltage Vg is equal to 0. No current flows because here the quantum dot is empty and all the electrons are in the source. Here it is a source, gate and it is a drain. Also here source, it is a quantum dot and it is a drain. Here when you are applying gate voltage is equal to 0, no current flows because the quantum dot is empty and all the electrons are in the source. The second and third figure represents the on state of set. As the quantum dot is empty, the potential energy is low as there is no electron. So when you apply the gate voltage is equal to Coulomb voltage, electron will move from the source to the quantum dot. So in the quantum dot there is an electron. Now see the third figure. There is an electron in the quantum dot. So the potential energy increases. So electron will move from the quantum dot to the drain. So once again quantum dot becomes empty. This process repeats again and again. So single electron transistor is a 3-terminal device in which electron will tunnel from source to drain one by one. When the gate voltage is Vg is 0, no current flows. For single electron tunneling, the gate voltage is the Coulomb voltage, that is E by 2C for the single electron to tunnel. When the gate voltage Vg is equal to V Coulomb plus E by 2C, 2 electron will tunnel. When you again add E by 2C, 3 electrons will tunnel. So number of electrons in the quantum dot is controlled by the gate voltage.